Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so today is Heroes Day in Jamaica. They're celebrating Heroes Day and awards to all kind of police officers and all kind of people. Some deserving, some not. I just saw it go on them thing there. Especially police officers. So you're looking right now. So this video is all about where I talk about Isaiah Laing, because no other police alive apart from Tom Levine in our estimation. And you understand what I'm saying? We are talking from our personal experience. We're not talking from somebody else's experience. You understand? Or what we hear. So we are telling us Isaiah Laing, the noted crime fighter. Isaiah Laing deserving of a national award, but them not get Isaiah Laing. So see all this man don't get DSP Raymond Bulldog Wilson got a national award for betraying the rank and file members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Him sell them out. He's the man who signed the 0% interest, 0% peer raise. You ever hear anything? Peer raise, peer increase. When the PMP in a power, because we tell you already, say, the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, them no create job, All them create is criminal. So when they were in power, this man, he and the other one named Rowan James, the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal activists in a uniform, And we said that we thought him not have a convict for crime and him thing, because, you're police, so you're not supposed to campaign for no political party, you understand? Because you're supposed to be, and you're not supposed to be biased, and you're not supposed to be affiliated with a political party. Then we hear Angela Brownbert now come out and say, call him comrade. I would say, the all waste man, waste man, Peter the Divine Bunting, come out and I defend him. Even recently I talked about the police high command. But we don't believe you, Peter Bunting. Nothing that you say, you have no credibility. You're a notorious liar. You and Mark Golding, you understand what I'm saying? So we don't care what you want to say. You understand? So Raymond Bulldog Wilson now, so when the PMP were in power, he, along with all of them signed 0% increase. 0% increase in police, And police still vote for them again, So them stay, because for them party. Them now look out for themselves. While the same people, them are thief. I saw them say them fool. So we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we say, boy, Isaiah Laing forget national award. Yes, of course. Then Laing put in the work, But guess what? Say, them not give Laing nothing. Because according to them, so you just say all of them are criminal in Jamaica, So according to them, them say Laing kill the most PMP LGBTQ plus gunmen in Jamaica. Because a PMP community, them create the most gunmen. I just saw it go. So when for do? So if a man try to kill him or him for do, make him kill him. So that now them use against him, You understand? Same thing them do with Bobby Reds who used to work with me. Yeah, so them must say, Laing kill too much PMP gunman and all of them things. So that's one of the main reason why them kick him out, them kick him out of the work. That was a PJ project, PJ Patriot project. You understand? And then them say, boy, Laing a labor right. And the man is not labor right, the man is just police. The man they love the work and them thing, but I saw them people stay, You understand? So who want you to watch the video? Believe you me. You watch, you listen, and you decide. And then we'll get back to you and talk to you about Laing, because Laing more deserving than all of them police. Bulldog Wilson deserve or nothing, because he never ever write a traffic ticket in his life. The man never got a court yet. The man never, right now if you ask him to swear himself, him can't do it. Him cannot do it. And the next one named Steve Brown. Steve Brown a big gambler and all them things there. Remember that one there, a big big nose brother there and them thing there, yeah. Them and the police, all them do is just chat and all them thing there. They don't know police work. So we want you to what? You watch, you listen, and you decide. Because we'll show you some video of some police where collect national award, Boy, may I tell you. But when I go, you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Come on. Come on.
Deputy Superintendent of Police Andrew Anthony Edwards. Deputy Superintendent of Police Linroy Somerville Edwards. Senior Superintendent of Police Gary Anthony Francis. Senior Superintendent of Police Robert Gordon. Superintendent of Police Andrew Theodore Hill. Superintendent of Police Winston Lloyd Hunt. Superintendent of Police Richard Antonio Hilton.
Yes, man. So we are the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We congratulate all of the awardees who get them award. Yeah, today, 2-year-old, Winston Lloyd Hunt. Yeah, man, boy, we and him go way back, We were concept together. Hunts behind them thing. We're glad for him, Hey, trust me, between me and him thing, Of all of the police them go up there, I can't tell you, that I one of the most squeaky clean police, Them the man there, Hey, the man there, nobody, me I tell you that, So nobody feel like say, you understand what I'm saying? Them the man afraid of trouble, Big time, Yeah, so 2-year-old squeaky clean police and them thing there. Yeah, we used to work with them, man. A good detective doing it. The man they can read a book. Yeah, when the man investigate a case and them thing there. The man they pay attention to details. So congratulations to 2-year-old. Yeah, Linroy Edwards, party police. We not gonna say nothing about the man and them thing there. Congratulations. We don't go sorry, so boy, whenever I say Ruben Gunter, Gunter is a man of work, and Gunter a good police to just like 2-year-old. Yeah, Richard Hilton, I was seeing a man, we can answer certain things about, you understand, him used to that St. Mary and, you understand what I'm saying, St. James. So, I just saw it. Gary Francis never done a police work. Gary Francis is a big PMP LGBTQ plus activists in a police force. You see that police federation, the man jump from sergeant to deputy superintendent of police. I just saw it, yeah. So yeah, you understand my SSP now. Gary Francis there, black brother. Yeah, Gary Francis is a big time PMP LGBTQ plus activist, yeah. And the man they are young police. The man they are young police here, Eddie. The man they are that are Linroy Edwards. The man they are young police, 2-year-old that are Winston Hunt. The man they are young police, Emford Wade, Gunter. And the man they wasn't a police car. The man never see the man they are court yet. So I saw a police force going on, people involved in a school work or politics. I saw them get promotion. You can't tell you now, so out of all of the police, them up this one them thing there where we know, but we can't say a police. 2-year-old, investigator, Eddie, rounded police, he was detective, and then put him back in a uniform. When I got to acquire, then put him back. So him know one and two look at things that I know, So we celebrate with him and them thing there. Glad for him, you understand, and I just saw it go. But here now, so right to the meat of the matter now, is the thing now, is this man, Isaiah Laing supposed to get it. Isaiah Laing, when I said them not deserve it, when I said Isaiah Laing should have gotten his award, he should have get an award because Isaiah Laing has done more for the Jamaican people. Yeah man, Isaiah Laing has done more for the Jamaican people than Bulldog Wilson. Yeah man, Bulldog Wilson, brother bottom. You understand? Who have never issue a traffic ticket in their entire police career. You have only police in them, they never done no police work in them life, Yeah, but them get promotion and them thing there. Just like James Saab. James Saab the first time James Saab got a quota in time, them they charge him and them thing there. Whole heap of police. And them get the promotion and they want them to do work. Them a paper tiger, you understand? And the man out there fight crime, him not getting a promotion because him not a rear admiral club and all of them thing there. I just saw it go. So that's why a man like Laing, them squeeze him out and tell lies, boy, all say propaganda, boy, all them do is kill the PMP, LGBTQ plus gunmen. As different time the man kill all people from Tivoli. But that was the narrative where them run it, forget rid of him out of the police force because them see him as a force that them ever like. So we are telling you why Laing Laing is an hero to we, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. A hero is a person who's admired for their courage, outstanding achievements, or noble qualities. Heroes can be natural or fictional and come from all walks of life. Yeah, heroes are often associated with bravery, Isaiah Laing, selflessness, Isaiah Laing, and willingness to put the needs and his life on the line for others before his own. He may be willing to risk his life, that Laing, or well-being to help others and dedicate his life to fighting for a cause he believes in. That's how Isaiah Laing do right through his life. Him fight for the people them, the weak from the bully them. Because gunman them are bully, And that's how Laing do. You understand? So he has done everything. So Laing is the epitome of an hero. But them not bestow him. And we advocate for him get him award. Yeah man, make Isaiah Laing get him award next year, man. Them man are put in them work, man. Hey, look here, between me and you, I tell you this, You see all before all the police them get all M16 from Siago. Them man used to take on the gunman them with and we have the 16 them and them thing there, You understand? And Laing I'll get shot, how much time does a man get shot? And I don't give him the award. Hey, I'll Laing why I'll bogle when me and bogle do police test and bogle pass. I'll Laing why bogle want to be police car. You see it? So Laing inspire many youths. How many youths from the ghetto or from Jamaica want to be a Isaiah Laing? Calling a bad police, When a criminal hear Laing name, fear driving him out because him know what time it is. That's how it's supposed to go. But no, we're not a detective on them thing there. Because, the PMP, them say, boy, I police detective them a kill off a gunman them, so them create the CTAC now. Yeah, CTAC is a joke thing. Because detective, know the modus operandi a criminal, so him know say boy, say at them time the boy leave and this and that and one and two little things. So them scrap that. Isaiah Laing is more than deserving of a national award. And we are advocate for that. So you understand what I'm saying? So heroes can also be admired for their intelligence, creativity, or perseverance. They may overcome great adversity to achieve their goals or make significant contributions to society through their work and activism. Ultimately, what makes a hero a matter is a matter of opinion. However, all heroes share a common characteristic. They inspire others to be better people. Yeah man, Laing do that. So here are some examples of heroes, real life heroes: firefighters, police officer Laing, military personnel, doctors, nurses, teachers, social workers, and others who put their lives on the line or dedicated their time and energy to helping others. So you have the fictional heroes them now, like the Superman. Yeah, don't buy no clothes, and give your son boy and tell him say my Superman, make him go jump off on a house top and drop boop and him now go get up back. So don't buy and tell him boy man a Superman. Superman a fictional thing. Tell him real thing. Santa Claus fake and all them Santa Claus not real. Batman, Wonder Woman, Spider-Man, Captain America, and other superheroes who fight for justice and protect the innocent. So you have historical heroes. Historical hero, Isaiah Laing is an historical hero. Yeah man, who's more than deserve of a national hero award. Yeah man, you understand? Because him set the pace for fighting crime. And he was very creative in his craft. There will be none like Isaiah Laing to replace him. Since Isaiah Laing left Admiraltown, there is none that replace him. None. So when Tom Levine left Admiraltown, he went there and him filled the show. Yes, because him continue what Tom Levine was doing. Get rid of criminal. You understand? So we are telling you now, so him a historical hero, Isaiah Laing, Trinity. Yeah man. Yeah, we're not talking about we're dead, we're talking about alive. Yeah, you can't get Calvin Benjamin, yeah, John Gaz. Because John Gaz have him name in the historical book, where when him da came on as young police officer, him do a murder case and him thing there, and you understand. So we're talking about people who still alive. You understand? You see it. And we can go on and him thing there with some police, you understand? So I just saw it go on him thing there, see it. So Marcus Garvey, him dead, but him a hero and him thing there, because Marcus Garvey live on, Even all the next 200 years, them can't erase Marcus Garvey from history, because Marcus Garvey, of all the orators and inspirational figure, Marcus Garvey. So Marcus Garvey are our hero and him thing there. So heroes can be found in all walks of life, and they come from different backgrounds. However, they all share a common characteristic. They make the world a better place. So that's why we say, boy, Isaiah Laing for national hero. You understand? We not stop fight feet and them thing because them man contribute to Jamaica crime fighting measures, make the people them safe. Yeah man, in my community, because hey, when I was a youth, before I go training school in 86 August, when I jungle and them thing there, yeah, I feel go back there and live on them thing there from Waterford. Never talk about what really happened and them thing there, but we give thanks to life, You understand? We did a house and them thing there, and the Saturday, we had the whole part, 3 different gun them. Yeah man, is a boy where they come from prison. Him say anytime him come out, him a kill Laing. And Laing go and visit him and him thing there, and him did try to kill Laing, but as usual, Laing a willing battle. So that's why we say Laing deserve a national award. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.